Hi, I'm Sabrina. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to take amazing travel photos by yourself. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you know what it's like when you're at the most beautiful destination and you just have the best view and all you want to do is capture it so you can share with all your friends and family. So you ask a stranger to take your photo and they end up cutting your head off or completely missing the subject or whatever other horror story. Basically, you don't end up with the photo that you want or the photo that you envisioned. When I started traveling years ago, this happened to me all the time. And I felt bad that I would go to the most epic places and not even have a photo to show for it. So I started taking pictures of myself. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you the tricks that I've learned on how you can take amazing travel photos all by yourself. First, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online community with thousands of classes where you can learn anything from creative to entrepreneurial skills. It's the perfect place for learning and thriving, and it can even help you start a creative career. They're offering you guys 2 free months their premium membership using the special link down below for unlimited access to all of their classes. After that, if you want to keep using it, it's super affordable, less than what you pay for your monthly Netflix subscription, and the classes and workshops you get to take are highly valuable if you guys are interested in this kind of work. One of my favorite classes that I've taken recently is iPhone photography, how to take pro photos on your phone. It's really engaging and teaches you a lot of cool tricks that even I didn't know. Thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Because of them, I'm able to share this information with you guys. I'm a full-time freelancer, so work like this keeps me going. And don't forget, you guys, use the link down below for your 2 free months their premium membership. Before we begin, I do want to mention that I'm completely self-taught. I've never been to school for it or had any formal training for photography, so everything that I know, I taught myself. So if you guys don't know much about photography but you just love to do it, there's hope. Keep watching videos like this and you'll be a pro in no time. My #1 tip when taking self-portraits is to have fun. Be yourself and don't try too hard to pose because that never comes out good. Just act natural, let yourself be in the moment. This makes all the difference in photography. Move your arms a little bit. If you're wearing a dress, throw your dress around. My next tip is to focus on capturing light. That should be your primary focus anytime you're shooting. Lighting has such a drastic impact on photography. It's the #1 thing I look out for anywhere we go. The best time to shoot besides sunrise and sunsets are during golden hour, which is just an hour after sunrise and an hour before sunset. This is when you get that really nice golden glow and it really makes your photos pop. It makes the skin tone stand out. It adds a nice halo effect to your photos. You can literally take the exact same photo at the exact same place during a different time of the day and you'll get much different results. If it's in the middle of the day and the lighting is too harsh, you're gonna wanna squint your eyes or try to hide a little bit. It's never a flattering photo. So when the lighting is too harsh, find a shady area and shoot from there instead. Regarding composition, the first thing to know is the rule of 3. The rule of 3 takes your photo and divides it into 3 sections. Your subject is in either one of these thirds, and everything around it should be flattering the subject. A nice thing to look for when taking photos is different shapes. Shapes add a nice depth of fill and make your photos stand out a lot more. So whether it's making shapes with your body or finding natural shapes in nature, composition is very important to having a captivating photo. So now that you guys know all the tricks to making your photo look the best, here is how I actually take our photos. The first year that I traveled, I did not own a tripod because I just thought it was unnecessary, too heavy, too bulk, and I did not want to carry it around with me everywhere. I used to set my camera up on a ledge or on my backpack, anything that I could find to take a photo of myself. This was very limiting and I would often have to take the photo from the floor. So I carry 2 tripods with me everywhere I go. Whether you're shooting with your iPhone or you're shooting with a DSLR, it's always handy to have a tripod with a remote. I just got this new tripod and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's called Manfrotto Be Free. It's the lightest, most compact, durable tripod that I've ever had. It's super easy for me to carry it anywhere with me, so I never leave home without it. If you guys are interested in a new tripod, I'll leave the link down below. This one really helped me out. For my phone, I got this tripod off Amazon, and I love it because it has a remote that connects with Wi-Fi, so I don't have to worry about asking someone to click the shutter or waiting for a timer. I just set the tripod up and click the shutter. It's as easy as that. For a DSLR, I haven't found a tripod that has a remote with it, so I use an intervalometer that's built into my camera. If you guys don't have an intervalometer on your camera, you probably want to invest in some type of remote. The difference between an intervalometer and a remote is that while a remote triggers your shots, an intervalometer will set up reoccurring shots at certain intervals. What I like about this is it's super easy to set my camera up, start the intervalometer, walk into the frame, and just act supernatural and be myself and enjoy the moment. And meanwhile, the camera keeps taking photos every 3 to 4 seconds. For me, this is the best way to capture the most candid moments, and I just personally enjoy these photos more. The other thing I use a lot is the Wi-Fi capability on my DSLR. This allows me to connect my phone to my camera, so whenever I'm shooting photos of myself or with me and my husband, I can see the screen and I can see what the camera is seeing before I decide how I want to take the photo. So that's it, you guys. It's as easy as that. As long as you have the right equipment and you're willing to put a little work in, you guys can get some bomb photos anywhere you go. Since I started using this method, it's really upped my photography. It's let me capture so many more moments, and oftentimes people are commenting on my photo asking who the photographer is. In reality, it's just my tripod. So I hope this shows you guys that anyone can do it. If you love photography, maybe you want to be a fashion blogger, maybe you want to travel, whatever it is, in today's world, photography can really help you grow your business. So I hope this shows you guys that anyone can do it. You don't have to have any training. You don't have to be a professional photographer. Just invest in a tripod and start shooting and see where it takes you. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys next time. By the way, if you use my tricks to take photos, please tag me. I would love to see them. Until next time, guys.